Welcome to the Past Perfect Securities Industry Essentials course. In this video, we'll highlight the key features of the course and its delivery. First, let's log into the course. Once logged in, you'll see the course dashboard. Here, you can see your progress and know if you're on pace to complete the course. You can also check your performance by chapter. The table of contents is displayed on the left and can be expanded to view content by chapter, section, and topic. Assessments and finals are also found in the table of contents. As you move through the course, you'll find the text, graphics, quick explainer videos, test-taking tips, and quick quizzes to aid your study. Let's take a Check Your Understanding assessment. Check Your Understandings are short quizzes throughout the course. During the assessment, you can check your answers to see if you're on the right track. Instant feedback is provided so you can understand the correct answer. It also shows you where the question's subject is in the text, so you can go back and read up on the content when you're finished. Once you finish the assessment, a proficiency report is generated. The proficiency report highlights the content you're excelling in, what you're borderline in, and what needs work. You'll also find a breakdown of your proficiency for each course topic. Areas of study display where you can find the content in the course to strengthen your understanding. Returning to the table of contents, you'll see that it now shows areas completed with check marks. Now we'll check the calendar feature. The calendar follows course completion and pacing. You can change the view to month, week, or daily, and see the activities to complete per day. The calendar can be customized based on weeks, desired end date, and study time per day. Class videos can be found under Resources. Each video shows an instructor teaching an entire chapter within the course. In addition to Check Your Understandings, additional assessments can be found throughout the course. There are chapter tests, made up of 25 longer form questions, mastery exams, which are found after 2 or 3 completed chapters, and lastly, 10 fixed final exams, which aim to resemble the real SIE exam. Now you're ready to dive into Past Perfect Securities Industry Essentials course. Happy studying!